Ultra Community Projects, Miss Dilcia's Home Repair, and distribute 100 food bags.
Welcome to Roatan. This is the Bay Island. Welcome to Roatan.
Community Projects and Seven Seas Cruising Association, Clean Wake Projects. Lots and lots of great projects to give back to the community. Roatan Bay Islands, Honduras. March and April 2021. We have lots to be thankful for. We are always trying to help others. We continue to spread joy in Roatan since January 2020. The two of us have been leading and participating in humanitarian projects around the globe for almost 30 years. We always love to give back wherever we are. We, along with the help of the extremely generous donations from family and friends around the globe, are able to give back to the families in need here on the island of Roatan. We have been contacted by many of you asking how to donate. Please visit www.paypal.me/SVUltraHarris. Is ever too small. All of the funds combined can change the lives of others forever. We are truly honored to be the Seven Seas Cruising Association hosts and the Ocean Cruising Club port officers for all of Honduras. Give a special shout out to the Mr. Sherman Arch family here in beautiful French Key. We could not have done any of these projects without their help, so we thank them from the bottom of our hearts for their generosity to provide a wonderful arch dinghy dock as well as cruises palapa for us all to enjoy and have great energy from them and great help and a one-stop shop for all of our cruising needs. Thank you so much, Mr. Sherman and Miss Petrona. We love you. They're located in beautiful French Key, Roatan. One of the items that was on our wish list of our last video was to repair an unstable home after flooding disaster. A single mother of 3 and one child with special needs suffered a flooding disaster when her home was almost washed away with serious erosion and the pilings were becoming unstable. So we all helped to do this. It was quite an amazing project. Thank you everyone for all of your support. Here you can see the flooding that happened during this flood that happened at the beginning of the year. And that is her home right there before. And this is her beautiful family. Her daughter suffers from complications from Zika when her mother was pregnant with her, so she can't walk or can't talk, and she's 3 years old. So we also purchased a pram or a stroller for them, and with the generous donations that we received. So it worked out great because now they can stroll her around and she could be upright and not have to be held all the time. As you can see, she's usually always held. Her name is Jacqueline Gisela. This is before photos. This is the front of the house. This is some of the damage to the side of the house that they tried to repair before. And this is us walking up to the house, quite a walk. This is us going down the road to the home by vehicle. And thank you, Miss Donna and Miss Cynthia, for all of your help in driving us there. Isn't it a very neat place that has a very exotic name and the property? So we thought we were going to a resort outside of it, so we would have some maybe refreshments there. And turns out it's a brothel there, but she does not work at the brothel, Miss Dilcia. She was a security guard at a high-end property hotel on the island. So this is on the way to her property, and this is us all walking down the hill and up the hill and down the hill again. So
I wanna be king in your story. I wanna know who you are. I want your heart to be for me. Oh, I want you to sing to me softly, cause then I might run in the dark. That's all that love ever taught me. Oh, I call and I rush out, all out of breath now. You got that power over me. My mind, everything I hold dear resides in those eyes. You got that power over me. My mind, the only
Huge thank you to SV Chateau, SV Mahi, SV Tamarisk, Miss Cynthia, Miss Donna, Mr. Ariel, Mr. Allen, and the entire Dilcia's family. Thank you for making this project a super wonderful success. We could not have done it without you. Thank you.
You got that power over me. You got that power over me. It was rolling down, then roll around. You got that power over me. My mind, everything I hold dear resides in those eyes. You got that power over me. My mind, the only one I know, the only one on my mind. You got that power over me.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you.
We all have the power to help others when we work together.
We are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3.
None of this would have been possible without the generous donations of others and the amazing volunteers. Thank you. Tremendous love for others makes the world go around.
If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song.
Leah barely makes enough to get by every month. She struggles every day to make ends meet, to feed her family.
Every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of. We are called to help.
Thank you to Mrs. Petrona for making her delicious baleadas for the team.
Are supposed to do, oh yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go.
Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, hey, hey, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning fog with our hearts a thumping and you, bright girl.
We thought it was located by a resort since the name sounded so exotic. Turns out it was located down near a brothel. No, Miss Dilcia does not.
And whatever happened to Tuesday and so slow? Gone down the old man with a transistor radio, standing in the sunlight laughing, hiding behind a rainbow's wall, slipping and sliding all along the waterfall with you, my brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, just like that? Sha-la-la-la. la-dee-da. So hard to find my way now that I'm all on my own. I saw you just the other day. My, you have grown. Cast my memory back there, Lord. Sometimes I'm overcome thinking about making love in the green grass behind the stadium with you, my brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing?
More super fun ultra memories made. We are all muddy and dirty from this amazing workday of volunteering to help others. The Bay Islands economy is based on tourism. Not help everyone, but we can bring joy to as many people as possible and make them all feel special. Fundraising here in Roatan since the lockdown of March 2020 to help many families in need as well as environmental projects. It's challenging during this time of COVID-19 since we are not able to deliver door to door. You can reach us at Facebook Messenger at Bill and JoAnne Harris. Or follow us at Instagram, #YACHT-ultraadventures. If you wish to see more of our Yacht Ultra adventures, please subscribe at Yacht Ultra 1 YouTube. You may donate at www.paypal.me/SVUltraHarris. We wish you happiness and health and send you great island vibes from here in Roatan. We love the Bay Islands and sincerely thank all of you for your consideration of donating. We look forward to continuing all of these amazing community projects. Be safe and be happy. If we are not volunteering or exploring, we are repairing Ultra.
Upon a star.
This number 3 on our last video was to continue to provide food bags for the families in need that are struggling. It's $10 per food bag, and now we're up to over 300 food bags and just did another 100 that you'll see in the next video. We thank you all for donating and appreciate you so much from the bottoms of our hearts. So on our wish list number 5 on our last video was to provide neutering and care for abandoned cats. So we also are in need of this as well if you wish to donate for that, and also for the bird and fish sanctuaries of the mangrove projects that are sponsored also that we're doing with the Arch family. So please help us. We'd be truly grateful. And thank you so much for all your support, and we are super happy to share all of our work with you, and together we can change the lives of others forever. And we love to share our videos and what we're doing here, and thank you so much for following us.
Like a bolt out of the blue, fate steps in and sees you through. When you wish upon a star, as dreams come true.
Really blessed to have been part of these amazing projects, and thank all of you for all of your help, all the volunteers, all the people that have donated, all the people that have called and wished us well on everything. Thank you for all your support and love.
Blue Wave Radio. It is Valentine's Day, and happy Valentine's to all. And I just want to say thank you for those who listen to me. Happy Valentine's to you for turning on the radio wherever you are. So this one goes out to a couple of people that are here. They came on their boat and kind of got stranded just before the pandemic and have been able to rough it out. Though they're having a great time and they're taking care of people while they do it. They create some projects, and they have been just super nice to me because they've reached out to me, and we recorded them before, and I just thought it would be great to have them do their dedication. From the Ultra, which is a sailing adventure that they're on, from JoAnne and Bill Harris and their dog, Sailor Kitty, just kidding, cat. They want to dedicate It's a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. They want to dedicate it to their family and friends around the globe that they've been separated from for more than a year, and some for more than 2 years, and miss all of them, and send out their love and wish them peace, love, happiness, and health. For all of you out there, that sounds like a really great idea. Here's Louis Armstrong on behalf of JoAnne, Bill, and Sailor Kitty. Blue Wave Radio.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear
Before and after photos. So fun.
I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful